Plums are a delicious fruit that are not only tasty, but also have numerous health benefits. Plums are a good source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber and can help improve digestion, promote weight loss, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. In this video, we will explore the health benefits of plums in more detail. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. The origins of the plum can be traced back to ancient times, with evidence of its cultivation dating back to at least 2000 BC in China. The plum tree is thought to have originated in China, and then spread to other parts of the world through trade and exploration. Plums were highly valued in ancient China for their medicinal properties, as well as their sweet and sour flavor. They were often used in traditional Chinese medicine to treat a variety of ailments, including digestive problems, respiratory illnesses, and skin conditions. From China, the cultivation of plums spread to other parts of Asia, including Japan and Korea, where they became an important part of the local cuisine. Plums were also introduced to Europe and the Middle East through trade routes, with the ancient Romans being particularly fond of the fruit. In Europe, plums were often used in desserts and jams. The fruit was introduced to the Americas by European settlers, where it was grown primarily for its medicinal properties. Today, plums are grown all over the world, with the largest producers being China, the United States, and Turkey. There are many different varieties of plums, ranging in color from yellow to red to deep purple, and in flavor from sweet to tart. Some popular varieties include the Santa Rosa, the Shiro, and the Damson. Plums continue to be enjoyed for their delicious flavor and numerous health benefits. Plums are high in fiber, which makes them an excellent food for improving digestion. Eating plums regularly can help prevent constipation, bloating, and other digestive issues. The fiber in plums also helps keep you feeling full, which can aid in weight loss. Plums are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals can cause inflammation and damage to your cells, which can lead to chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Antioxidants in plums, such as polyphenols, can help reduce inflammation and protect against these chronic diseases. Plums are a good source of vitamin K, which is essential for healthy bones. Vitamin K helps the body absorb calcium, which is needed for strong bones. Eating plums can help reduce the risk of osteoporosis and other bone-related conditions. Plums are low in calories and high in fiber, which makes them an excellent food for heart health. The fiber in plums can help reduce cholesterol levels, which can lower the risk of heart disease. Plums are also rich in potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of stroke. Plums have a low glycemic index, which means they do not cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. This makes them an excellent food for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing diabetes. Eating plums can help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent spikes in blood sugar. Plums are a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for healthy skin. Vitamin C helps the body produce collagen, which gives the skin its elasticity and helps prevent wrinkles. Plums also contain other nutrients like vitamin E and beta-carotene, which can help protect the skin from damage caused by the sun and environmental pollutants. There are many different types of plums, with variations in flavor, texture, and color. Here are some of the most common types of plums. European plums. These plums have a deep purple or blue skin and a yellow or greenish flesh. They are typically small to medium-sized and have a sweet, slightly tart flavor. Japanese plums. These plums have a red or yellow skin and a yellow or pink flesh. They are larger than European plums and have a sweeter flavor. Damson plums. These plums have a dark purple or blue skin and a yellow or greenish flesh. They are small and oval-shaped, with a tart flavor that is often used for making jams and jellies. Murray Bell plums. These plums have a yellow or red skin and a yellow flesh. They are small and sweet, with a delicate flavor. Greengage plums. These plums have a green skin and a yellow or greenish flesh. They are small and sweet, with a distinctive flavor that is often used in desserts and pastries. Black plums. These plums have a dark purple or black skin and a sweet, juicy flesh. They are often used in jams and jellies. Red plums. These plums have a red skin and a sweet, juicy flesh. They are often eaten fresh or used in salads. Yellow plums. These plums have a yellow skin and a sweet, juicy flesh. They are often eaten fresh or used in desserts. In conclusion, plums are a delicious and nutritious fruit that can offer numerous health benefits. Eating plums regularly can help improve digestion, promote weight loss, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and support bone and heart health. With their sweet and juicy taste, plums are an easy and convenient addition to a healthy diet. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more content. It helps us out and encourages us to keep creating more videos like this one. Until the next video, we hope you have a healthy and happy day.